has a threshold right away on the car. What to do? Going to the service? You know that I am starting to be an auto mechanic. On this week, my friends called me and said that the threshold of his grandfather's car are rotted. I agreed to help, and what came of it looked further. I woke up early. Outside the window there was a thick fog light snow. A friend picked me up and we drove after his grandfather's car. The Onex is a car made in Uzbekistan. This is the cheapest foreign car in Russia. It rust very quickly. I drove a friend's Chevrolet and my friend drove his grandfather's car on the Deonex. When we got to the garage, it became clear that the threshold was just half full. A couple of blows are enough for it to crumble.
Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
We bought such a new threshold and decided to shorten it. The excess was severed off with a grinder and tried onto the threshold. We decided to attach the threshold to rivets, the easiest and most reliable way. Drilled hole in the old threshold and just nailed the new one. In the process, they knocked on the threshold with a hammer. When the threshold was successfully attached, we began to treat it with anti-corrosion resin at both sides. It is an excellent rust preventive agent. The resin has a very thick consistency, and therefore the layer is thick. It can be painted in the color of the car, but this is not our goal. We finished the job and someone put on fireworks. How we have such a repair? If you have done something like this, and write about it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.